we're doing a milkshake challenge.
And what is a milkshake challenge?
Well, it's a challenge when we have to make a milkshake and the other one has to try the milkshake. So, for example, if I make a milkshake, you have to taste mine. And if you make a milkshake, I have to taste yours.
Okay, so are we supposed to make the best milkshake or the grossest milkshake?
The best milkshake, but I have a milkshake up my sleeve and you're not gonna like it.
Uh-oh, that doesn't sound too good, is it?
And it's called the devil milkshake.
The devil milkshake? What's so devilish about it?
Okay, I'm only gonna tell you my secret ingredient, but I'm not gonna tell you the rest. Okay? I'll tell you.
What is it?
I'm putting hot sauce in it.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Oh, I'm gonna regret this, aren't I? Okay, well, my milkshake is gonna be absolutely amazing, and I think you're gonna love it.
I guess if it tastes bad, I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 10.
I think I'm gonna get 10 out of 10.
No.
I guess we'll have to see then.
Maybe I'll give you an 8 or a 9 out of 10.
Well, maybe you wanna try it first.
Fine.
All right. So let the competition begin. I'm gonna go first with my milkshake. It's my secret recipe. Come closer. I'm gonna show you what I have. I have 2 ripe bananas.
That sounds pretty gross.
Oh, it's yummy and healthy.
I want
2
to
tablespoons of cocoa.
Hershey's cocoa.
Tablespoon of honey, natural pure honey,
Yeah.
and milk.
Of course, it's a milkshake.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is a milkshake.
Every milkshake needs a milkshake.
All right. So I'm gonna go start off with the bananas.
Of course.
All right.
Or maybe you should put the milk in first.
Put the bananas here, and let's put the cocoa. Really, there's no particular order here. And the honey.
Ew, it looks like a dry blob of honey.
It's good for you.
Stop saying that. It looks disgusting from this angle, but maybe it will be yummy. I don't know.
I love honey. Now, the yogurt, the milk.
Milk.
All right.
Blend it.
Are you ready?
Don't blend it too much or else it's going to leak out of the bottom.
It's a sturdy blender. I hope.
We bought this from 2013. Are you sure it will work?
We'll find out. Maybe you want to step back just in case.
Fine.
Here goes nothing. Look at this beautiful chocolatey, velvety drink.
Yeah, I guess so. Okay, doesn't look. It's a brown. Well, of course it's brown. It's chocolate. All chocolate is brown. Isn't that right? Because there's white chocolate. Never tasted Hershey's cocoa in a milkshake before, but I'll just try it. That actually tastes good. I'll give it like a 9 out of 10.
Wow, 9 out of 10. That is awesome. You'll like my milkshake.
You'll be surprised when you hear the name of my milkshake. It's going to be called the Devil Milkshake.
Why the devil milkshake?
You'll see. Okay, I'm making my devil milkshake now. Daddy's can't stand it. Okay, so I'm gonna get the milk and I'm gonna pour it all in here. Oh, that sounds good. I'm gonna put some. I'll leave the yogurt to the end. I'm putting some in it.
What is that?
It's grape juice, silly. And I'm gonna put some of my yogurt.
Is that just yogurt or mixed with something else?
Mixed with water. And from here,
And what is that?
it's cherry jam.
Cherry jam.
I'll just get 2 scoops of this. There. Sweet. And now for my secret ingredient. That's why I'm calling it the devil milkshake. Hot sauce.
Oh no!
You're gonna taste it. You're gonna be so mad.
How much hot sauce are you gonna put?
The whole jug.
You gotta be kidding me.
spicy. Who's ever heard of a spicy milkshake?
Oh, that is gonna be awful.
Then I tie the blue.
No,
Oh,
the
yeah.
cover, please. Tight. Alright.
Ready?
Ready.
I'll put it up to 8. Actually, no.
No.
Perfect. Hey, how do I open this? Will this gray thing fall out?
Okay, you're doing good.
Put it in here. I feel so evil now.
You are evil.
I'm putting hot sauce in my daddy's milkshake. Done. Ready, Daddy, to taste it?
No, I'm not ready.
Yeah, but you have to taste it because it's a challenge.
Okay. Okay, no laughing. This is scary. Okay, everyone, I'm gonna try something that I've never had before, that my son just invented.
Yeah, but I think I'm the one that's having luxury because I'm just sitting here drinking your milkshake when you have to drink my spicy milkshake.
Okay, so here goes nothing. Oh, there goes a lot. Oh. That is just so gross. Look, it's sour and it's sweet and it's spicy and milky all in one.
Drink more, drink more.
Oh, that is so awful. Oh no, that is... Okay, it could have worked except for the Tabasco sauce. It just ruined it. Oh, that is just so gross. No, sorry, I can't do.
Should I try it? Should I try it for apology?
Yeah, go ahead.
Daddy, if my mouth goes on fire, I'm gonna blame you for giving it to me. Okay?
Okay?
No hard feelings.
Here. And?
That tastes really good.
You like it?
Yep.
Then you drink it.
Ew, there's hot sauce on my lip. Oh my god, that tastes so spicy. Did I just take the camera?
Serves you right.